Canada. These days, Corona makes everyone stay longer at home. For those who are bored, dalgona coffee is becoming popular. Instant coffee, sugar, and hot water are mixed at the same amount by hand mixer. Today, I want to show you a dalgona bread made by adding beaten coffee to bread dough that can be easily made without fermentation. The smell of coffee
is tempting.
Would you like to see how to make delicious dalgona bread?
We need instant coffee, sugar, hot water, eggs, sugar, salt, canola oil, baking powder, baking soda, flour, milk, hand mixer. Add the same amount of instant coffee, sugar, and hot water to the bowl. Stir it well with a hand mixer until it becomes creamy. When the cream becomes pale brown, the dalgona coffee is completed. Break 3 eggs and place in a bowl. Mix eggs and put salt and sugar in it. Stir well until the sugar melts. Add canola oil and mix evenly. Place the sieve on top of the egg water and add flour. Add baking powder and baking soda. The baking powder and baking soda are mixed and the flour is sifted. Mix the egg water and sifted flour evenly. After adding milk, stir well to make dough. Put the dalgona coffee in the bread dough and mix well. This dough is suitable. Spread the canola oil evenly in the oven container and then add the dalgona bread dough. Shake the dough to shape it. Bake in oven for 50 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit and 180 degrees Celsius. It's a well-baked dalgona coffee bread. Take it out and slice it. Inside is moist. Cut into suitable sizes and place on a plate.
It smells so good. Inside is soft, outside is crispy. I think it's more delicious because of the coffee taste. It's softer when I eat it with milk. It's so delicious and my hands keep going. Make sure to make a delicious dalgona coffee bread. How was the dalgona bread today? I strongly recommend it to those who like coffee. Have a great time with dalgona bread that falls in love with coffee. I need your support by subscribe, like, and notification bell. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.